Airbus are really proud and privileged to be part of this Air Smiles Day event with Bristol Airport and Fly to Help. It's an opportunity for us to give back to the community.
So when I was on my internship with Airbus, I saw that this happened and I thought it was a really great idea and lovely to get Airbus doing something in the community. So coming back as a graduate, it was one of the things that I really wanted to get involved with. So yeah, as soon as the email went out to see if anyone wanted to get involved, I was straight on it.
I'm involved today with Fly to Help to support the kids and their families. So I've been a volunteer before for Fly to Help and saw the opportunity to help out some local families too.
These are for bringing the aircraft in to Marshall, then we call it.
What does this mean? So these are kind of connected to each other.
Very important.
The kids look like they're having such a good time, which is so nice.
I've really enjoyed it. It's been good to see the kids and the adults come out and interact with Airbus, the local police.
Everyone's had a really fun day getting stuck in, learning about some of the aspects of aviation and having just a general good time as well.
Hopefully today we've generated some really special memories for the children and families, and I feel really honoured to be part of their day.